Hello, welcome to Goshen Health's One Chart Ambulatory Implementation. Topic: Back Office and Provider Logging into Expanse. The mission of the One Chart project team is to implement a unified EMR that will continue to elevate the exceptional care provided to our patients and the surrounding communities by streamlining communications and workflows throughout our organization and enhance patient engagement. The topics we're going to cover today is what is Expanse, what is the One Chart Ambulatory Implementation, remind you that March 1st, 2023 is our go-live date for the ambulatory offices, and then a short video on how to log into Expanse for the back office colleagues and our providers. The first question we should answer for you is, what is Expanse? The simplest answer is Expanse is a version of Meditech. Meditech is a healthcare documentation program similar to the current systems you're using, such as NextGen, eClinicalWorks, and ARIA. Goshen Hospital, the emergency room, the surgery suites, and the home health hospice are already on a version of Meditech Expanse. By bringing up the ambulatory offices onto it as well, we will be closing a loop. Everyone will be able to view all information on all our patients in real time. For example, as soon as a lab is entered on a patient, all areas may view it. As soon as a patient is created in any area of Goshen family, you'll be able to find them in the system in real time. You'll be truly working within one chart. That's the patient's chart. Hence the name of our project, One Chart Ambulatory Implementation. Our actual go-live date is March 1st, 2023. All the education for this will be done in January and February. You'll hear more about that as we go along. Look for the emails. Right now, we are building in our system. This means the documentation, questions, answers that you'll see on the screens may change over time with all the different videos. These videos are a chance to begin a demonstration of the new system and give you a basic understanding of how Expanse functions. We plan to have these videos be anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. This will make it easier for you to find time to view them. As of the end of August, we are working on getting each and every one of you access. When we have set up the access, we will send out an email with the subject line starting One Chart. We are aiming to have that set up in the next 2 weeks if possible. Once you have access to Meditech Expanse Test, play to your heart's content. Okay, I know you're excited to see the new system, so let's get started. Once we go live, which is March 21st, 2023, you're going to have icons on your desktop. This is your live environment. We're not going to use that right now until March 1st. Right now, all we have is the test environment. So when we talk about logging in, I want you to use this Expanse WPL test icon. Some of you may have the icons, but maybe somebody doesn't quite yet. Not a problem. Meditech Expanse is a web version. This means they have the ability to give us the option for logging in just by typing a web address. And that web address is https://meditechtest.goshenhealth.com. All right, now that you have a chance to do that, let's click on our icon and begin this process. When I clicked on the icon or use the web address, it brings me to this screen right here. You're logging in with your Goshen email and the same password that you use every day to log into your current system. When you're done, please click Sign In. Your screen may look a little different than this one, have more or less options depending on your role within the office. This is considered a pathway. Depending on what you select, the screen could display different options. Please begin by clicking Ambulatory. Now, select Clinical Home Screen. If when you click Clinical Home Screen, you actually got an error message, that's okay. It means that we just need to arrange where you're logging into. Click the OK button and it'll bring you back to this screen. What I want you to do is click the subdivision button down at the bottom. What that error message was really telling us is that we have not set you up to enter into the ambulatory module yet. This may be because you already had access to the acute Meditech in the past, and we just haven't changed you to ambulatory. Let's just find a way to do a workaround for right now. If you see Goshen Health here, what I would like you to do is highlight it, and then use the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. Now, come over to the drop-down, click on it, and please select Goshen Physician Ambulatory. If you don't have an HIM department in there, that is quite all right. Just come down here to the right corner and click OK. All right, we're back to our Pathways screen. Once again, we're going to click Ambulatory and then click Clinical Home Screen. Now you are logged into the back office module screen for Expanse. Notice you are viewing your daily schedule. If I wanted to view the entire office's schedule, I can click up here and change it to my office. Well, that's it. That's how you log in. In another video, we will try to give you a high-level overview of the back office module. We'll also have videos on how to perform different tasks so that you have the option to learn system in smaller chunks instead of doing it all in the classroom. Well, thanks for joining us today. I hope this is helpful. We're happy to have you, and we'll see you in future videos.